Now the jack! You're not the clown! What up, buddy? I'm sorry. Yeah, you're gonna like your fucking man, I love the Vegas. You're back down there. I don't want to again. Motherfucking my twin! I lost more money from eating, like, dropping from the dance.
Now my budget's going low. I'm gonna go grab a drink. I'm growing gray hairs now. I want my money.
Lemon, put me in.
Both of us are very alike.
Were we about to do the same thing?
This way.
That's it.
Five minutes people, you can just do stuff for fucking drink. Mateo, I trust you. Play with my chips. That's not how that works.
Don't trust me.
I trust you. No. I trust you. I trust you. Sit your ass. Oh, I trust Mateo. Sit what you got? Give her 400.
Well played, sir. Well played. So I'm gonna post this up. I'm gonna flash what you stole. This is gonna be documented. Yeah. We're very.
You gotta tip the bartender.
Yeah. Hey bartender, here you go.
Well, thank you, sir. The camera like Mateo, drinks on the house.
Mateo joined the club.
What club?
Mateo.